Thanks again for joining me for this presentation. Brother Ronnie's Cook Series, Pie Man's Fridge Prep Pie Dough, and Extra Pie Batter, Pineapple, Lemon Tart, and Banana Batter combined to make today's pie from first course meal. And the first course meal is sloppy, lumpy scrambled eggs with spinach, cheese, and bread pieces. So I hope you will stay around to watch this cook series. I'm Brother Ronnie, part 2 introductory. In this cook series, Pie Man's Fridge Prep Pie Dough, and also the freezer portion is a batter. 3 ingredients for the batter was pineapple, lemon tart, and banana batter combined. So I demonstrate how prep food, you can use that and make additional dishes. So I wanted to mention that in this cook series. That I'm using prep food a lot. That's in the freezer, that's in the refrigerator. If it's in the refrigerator, then I don't wait long to use it. Combining prep food that was in the freezer, that was prepared for the freezer, and then put additional dishes with that that are made in the day. So I wanted to mention that about how I use my prep foods and the refrigerator foods, which has to be cooked right away, don't wait too long. So I hope you will stick around for this presentation today in this cook series. Here's the pie crust. Probably call this a sloppy pie crust as well. But the most important thing is that the ingredients is right. I'm going to make sure that I don't over bake this. Preheat this in the oven first, convection oven, maybe only 8 minutes at 380 degrees or 400. Let it bake with the whole pie preparation in it. Chocolate pudding goes in the bottom. And this is the combination in the top, the batter, the main part of the pie. Pineapple batter, lemon tart batter, and banana batter. Now I'm going to prepare the eggs. The eggs are ready to the sloppy, lumpy scrambled egg. I'm going to turn the heat down a little bit. Which this scrambled egg has cheese, and there'll be spinach in it as well. The most important thing that it tastes good, which I know it will. And we have the meat that's going to go with it, beef steak portion. I want to thank you for joining me for this presentation today, Brother Ronnie's Cook Series. Join me again when I create more dishes, recipes. I'm Brother Ronnie.